Senior Advocate, our Baba Association Advisor, Daswaju Govardhanachari Garu, please come to the dais. And Advisor, Sri Ramoju Kantachari Garu, come to the dais. Our Vice President, CH Hanumantarao Garu, please come to the dais. And M. Vinodachari Garu, Vice President, come to the dais. Our Senior Advocate, Pulasa Krishna Garu, come to the dais. And I.B. Ramesh Garu, Senior Advocate, come to the dais. Veera Brahmachari Garu, Veera Brahmachari Garu, come to the dais. Vanaja Motkur, come to the dais. Padmachari, come to the dais. And Ratnam Malkajgiri, please come to the dais. Upendrachari, BC Commission member, please come to the dais. Pushpalata and P.V. Ramesh. Pushpalata lady representative, please come to the dais. P.V. Ramesh. Our President, to honor the President elected by the City Civil Court Bar Association, and Govardhanachari Garu, Kantachari Garu, CH Hanumantarao, Maharoju Vinod Kumar Garu, CC Commission member, M. Vanaja, Ratnam, Pushpalata, lady representative, Secunderabad, P.V. Ramesh, Veera Brahmachari Garu, Senior Advocate, Mahbub Nagar, spokesperson BJP. Today, deep history of our association. PC Commission member, dynamic advocate, dynamic leader, dynamic spokesperson of TRS. Today, very auspicious day of occasion of the felicitation of Vice Srinivasachari, distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues and fellow advocates and brother and sister advocates. It is with immense gratitude and a deep sense of responsibility